let's see how to insert angle symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to insert your angle symbol, simply head on over to the Insert tab. Now click on Equation to open up a new equation. And right here, you can see the different mathematical operations that you can insert into your equation field. And to find the angle symbol, click on this drop down right here, which should open up this option right here to search for other symbols. Now click on Geometry, and the angle symbol is this one. Now to insert it, simply click on that, and that should automatically appear in your equation field. Now, another method that you can use if coding is enabled outside equation fields is by simply typing in backslash and then angle. And as you can see, we also now have an angle symbol typed in through the use of coding. And that is how you can write or insert an angle symbol in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.